Welcome, in front of me is a BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts like this one right here. Click on the three bars here in the corner and then select Settings, Import. Select where you want to import contacts from. For me that will be Play, which is my SIM card. Next. I also want to point out that was already selected by default. Next, click where you want to import contacts to. For me I only have one option, Device, but if Google account was signed in, that would also be an option right here. And then you can select all the contacts that you want to import. Next, click on OK. And that's it. When we go back, our contacts should be imported and visible in the list right here. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.